2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
7 time to experiment in some culinary delights, and we do that, as always, with our chef, Gavin Forman. Gav, I'm a bit concerned. I've got to say, firstly, welcome. I'm a bit concerned you've got the biggest knife that we could find, and you brought that in. What, have I upset you in some way?
Not at all.
No?
Not at all, Mark. And I actually did something really nice for you this week.
You dit. You've been very hard on me in weeks gone by. You've looked at me with some pity and thought, you know what? I'm going to cut the kid a break.
I'll give him something sweet and simple.
bit like myself.
Hey, I never said it.
Bit like myself.
The knife is there in case of emergencies. Either it doesn't come out or you get out of hand.
Okay. So what is this very delightful looking setting you've got into a little pot for us today?
This is a little Panna Cotta. So it's a little Dario mould. About 80 to 100 mils, 120 mils. So yes, it's a coconut vanilla Dario mould. It's a coconut vanilla Panna Cotta, but I've also chopped up a Cadbury's caramello bar and put it through the mix as it almost set.
Oh, yum.
So it should be absolutely terrible.
So you've basically hit my two flavour buttons right there. You've got coconut and caramel.
Yep.
That's a win.
Yeah,
this is a win.
I didn't know this.
No, you didn't know. This segment's a win already.
So I'm going to try to loosen it from the edges.
Okay.
As you can, it should.
And it looks
Perfect.
fabulous. It looks fabulous. First time around too.
That's it. That's all important. The wobble.
Yeah.
Because the amount of gelatin you put into it, if it sets too hard, it's not as nice.
A lot of jiggling there.
I know. I love. I'm pretty proud of that.
Oh, he's going to get.
Some of the chocolate left in the bottom of the mould. So that's obviously I put it in too early and it hasn't sunk.
Okay.
It has sunk.
So there's a lot of preparation in this dish.
Really, really, really simple. Cup of coconut cream, cup of cream, cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, vanilla. Bring to the boil, take it off, take the pods out, mix your gelatin through it, set it.
Well, we already know
Really
this.
simple.
We know this will be a winner, so there's not.
There's no garbage bin or glasses of milk or glasses of water this week.
Don't need to. That's a winner.
So should I leave the other one or should I take that one?
No, you're leaving it.
So it's a nice creamy contexture. It's a Panna Cotta set cream, Italian. Similar to your brulees and custards. Every nationality's got a version of it. So, yeah.
Well, the coconut's coming through. It's almost like ice cream.
Yes, it's got that same type of consistency. At least it doesn't smell like it tastes like in a movie theatre.
No.
Like, that was the duck dish. But no, this one's, it's very delicate, very light, and very summery, springy.
Considering we haven't had much of a winter, I think we need that, don't we? Look, this is really good. I think. Well, I definitely have to have a look at the recipe myself that we've put up this week on this.
The secret with this is the gelatin, and I haven't written how much gelatin to use because every packet is different. You get different strength gelatin, different size leaves. Some people get powder. I used the half leaves, and I used 6 half leaves to 700 mils. About roughly 700 mils of liquid is 3 cups.
So just if you do it, putting a stronger one, a little bit less, and go by directions.
Yeah, the packet will tell you how many leaves to add or how much powder to add per litre, and then that's 700 mils in those 3 cups thereabouts. Just work it out.
Well, what I might do, I'll just take all of this and keep this. You're not getting this one back, and this other one looks pretty good as well. Mate, thank you for that this week. A very nice dessert. You can do that for us next week. That'll be good.
Absolutely.
That's Gavin Forman joining us on 2NURFM. We'll just stick with the little dessert. Coconut, caramel, chocolate.
Vanilla.
What more do you want? Not much.